Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys and welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all we have in Google Play here Temu, we have buy as a millionaire, and we have here over than 100 million of dollars. So you can just install it or you can just open your web browser and dive into temu.com as you can see. So this is the homepage. If you wanna get started with them, all you have to do is just click over orders and account, and you link by writing your email address and your password, and then you start with Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So this is Timo, as you can see. If you want to be an affiliate marketing, an affiliate program, all I have to do is just scroll down. But before, let's know how you can be an affiliate program. So you can make money on Timo by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Timo into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Timo by clicking on the link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want, then you earn your commission. So we have here affiliate and influencer, and we have here earn commission. So you click over it and you'll find this page. So we have here various information that we have to know. So we have here earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer, earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you have just to click over get started, as you can see. Then we have here also other information like high commissions here, earn big by promoting Temu, 100% commission and dollar bonuses. And then we have exclusive sale price, a portfolio of exclusive offers and discounts from a variety of products for you to promote. You have trusted brand on the last here, post your image and amplify your reach by partnering with one of the most downloaded apps. Then we have here empower affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile, authorized influencers. We have as a user authorized through our platform enjoy a range of benefits, including we have 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders. We have here abundant credits, access a wealth of credits or additional perks. Then we have user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user downloads. Well, here we have websites. As a registered website, affiliate enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. We have high commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates on orders. Then we have tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. And we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then we have also the important thing here. So about here we have $100 coupon bundle. About this one, we have new app users can include in a premium experience with clicking your link, receive an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial downloads. You have your new app users free gifts. Maximize your affiliate potential. Your referral app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. So this is how you can get started with Temu affiliate program. So how to start with a Temu affiliate program? We have the first step is join. Enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversions rates for maximum earnings. So let's come back here and I will give you how you can get started with earn money on Temu. So the first one we have here TikTok. So to earn money on Temu or TikTok, start by creating eye-catching videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or videos captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So as you can see, and then we have Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu, draw Pinterest, create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pinned details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home, decor, or fashion. For we have here decor, we have home, also we have fashion, and then regularly update your reports with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Pinterest, and let's move on to the next one. We have Reddit. So to earn money on Temu Draw Reddit, you have just to join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link. Following subreddits rules, engage also with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. For example, we have what are your Temu, AliExpress Best Buys, and we have your tips on how to find quality on Temu, and you can just answer those questions. Then you can also post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have Instagram and YouTube. So I will show you how you can create content and share your links. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you can just start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. So on Instagram, you have just to post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, all you have to do is just create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, plus send your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money Joe Timo. By creating engaging and informative content and highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.